Hello and welcome to the pet room. I'm going to do something. Firstly, I forgot my chip puller that Al Payne gave me. The World of Commodore. I'm going to take out these two screen RAM chips. I am. And then I'm going to do something not necessarily radical. This machine has been perplexing me because I've checked all the chips and everything seems fine. But, of course, corrosion and micro-corrosion is the enemy. So what I'm going to do is I have a can of DEOXIT here. And I did get a fresh straw. And I'm going to, I have it on the, do I have it? Yes, I have it on the low setting. I'm going to spray every socket. That would be good. That would be the RAM and the ROM sockets. That's a 6502 and a 6520. And then we're going deep into the back. Because and the screen RAM sockets. And now I have to go out. So I'm going to let this sit and the stuff do its magic. But see, micro-corrosion is a terrible thing. And remember, we're not dealing with a whole lot of voltage and other things. And it doesn't take much for some little bit of tiny corrosion to cause trouble. So, I believe I sprayed everything. So I'm going to give those a chance to soak in. And later when I come back, I'll see about repopulating this old vintage pet. A blue bezel small keyboard and a interesting old cassette that I've never seen before. Doesn't have an eject button. You have to actually flip the thing up. Anyway, so everything has been sprayed. And that is good. See, this pet came out of a basement, and the people who were there, wonderful people, were very much into woodworking. So tiny micro sized miniature bits of sawdust would have been here and there, and actually if you look around the board you can probably see remnants of it. So the DEOXIT is done, and now I gotta go. So have a lovely day, and we'll see if this makes any difference at all. It may be that the problem is it could be a bad socket. It could be a bad support chip. You never know, you know. Anyway, thanks for coming to the pet room. We'll see you again. David Bradley signing off. Bye for now.